Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabhashankar Shukla today stated that the university will submit a proposal on the regularization of the service of the casual workers to the Union Ministry of Education. Talking to reporters, Professor Shukla said that the ministry will decide on the regularization of the services of the employees, adding that the university cannot take such decisions. Nehu Vice-Chancellor said that the university has already implemented a central minimum wage salary for all casual workers in different categories since 2018. It may be mentioned that casual employees under the banner of the All Northeastern Hill University Workers Union are still continuing with their agitation outside the VC's chamber due to failure of the university authorities to regularize their services.
Actually, during the period of the agitation, under extraordinary power, I already approved the 1 month salary, the month of the June. But as one time, but for the rest of the period, I am helpless to say something. But after the discussion with the committee member, I can find out some ways which way I can help my casual laborers.